From stinky mess to pristine success. Master the art of septic tank treatment. Using a septic tank treatment is an important part of maintaining the health of your home's sewage system. It helps to break down solid waste and reduce odors. To use a septic tank treatment, start by reading all instructions on the product packaging for proper use. Generally, you will pour the treatment into a toilet or directly into the tank itself. Depending on the type of septic system and size of the tank, you may need to calculate how much product should be used each time. You should treat your septic system with products such as bacteria cultures or enzymes on a regular basis, usually every 4 to 6 months. This will help keep your septic system in good working condition and prevent any problems from occurring. Get your free report, Septic So Savvy, the ultimate guide to optimal septic tank treatment, by visiting the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like and share,